Hi, in this quick tutorial on Premiere Pro, I would like to show you how to draw circles or rectangles. Very simple and very quick. So you can see here we got the pen tool. What we need to do here is to hold the left key button on your mouse. Then more options would open up for us, such as rectangle tool and ellipse tool. And then we can select, for this example, just a rectangle. So with our rectangle tool selected, we can just draw a rectangle around the area that we want to emphasize, for example, in this video. As soon as you draw, I'm in the editing setting. In the FX control, you can see shape 1 appears that you can control. So you can check this to make it full, you can check this to make it fill, or you can check this to make an outline like I do here. You can create shadows by clicking on the color. You can change the color. First you need to check it obviously, and then you can change the color. If you want to draw another shape, you need to select the clip again. You need to move over from the shape that you selected and select the clip. And then let's try an ellipse. So hold your left key on your mouse again, click on the ellipse, and just draw simply. An ellipse is drawn. You can play around with the thickness of the stroke by again going here and increasing or decreasing the thickness. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you guys to become one step better in using Premiere Pro. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and follow my playlist on Premiere Pro tutorials, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.